Let's do some business. XRP could reach a market value of $1T. I love it, man. The weekend is here. Let's smoke some opium and have fun looking into this. Oh, I can hear it now. Oh, no way would it beat an idea that it would almost beat Bitcoin. Oh, guys, man, don't market cash without telling me you don't understand crypto. You should just say that, man. Oh my goodness. We're not just talking about XRP's market cap reaching $1 trillion and everything else staying the same. A lot of other market caps have changed in this area. We are going to look into this and see how much XRP would cost when the market cap reaches $1 trillion. That is one of the things that will put the cherry on top of what I'm going to talk about today. Stay put. What I got for you should please you. There are big things going on outside. Make sure you join the chat today before we get started. We have been dealing live twice a week at 2 p.m. on Tuesdays and Thursdays the following week. We're day trading with no DTEs. Man, we're killing it. We're on fire. Use the first link below to get in for 50% off. Don't miss out on the first 50% off. We only have a few days left. I should say that for the first month that was the best deal I could find. Click that button. Your answer will be 15% off an annual membership and the Kraken. Get on the Kraken right now. After clicking that second link, please sign up here. Get it funded by putting in 100, 500, or 1,000 bitcoins or more if you want. I put in 10 Gs just a few days ago. We just started the new account, the ETF one. Going forward, we're going to keep doing that. I'm excited about it, and we'll talk a little about it, but for now I want to talk about the $1 trillion XRP market cap. Yes. No, tell me what you think below. If you want XRP to reach a market value of $1 trillion, click the thumbs up. If not, press the thumbs down button. I found out the number. I like seeing what they are, and I don't mean in a week. I don't believe I'm sitting there saying in a month either, because I can hear the trolls stepping on their dry cat food under the bridge. It's not a name brand. It tastes like cat food from the 1970s. Man, Friskies, get something. I have no idea. Besides that, yeah. So when we look at the market cap as a whole, this is one of the important points. I'll say, hey, you got XRP. I believe XRP can go from about $250 a piece to less than that. Right now, we're going to look at XRP 1.140 billion. This is 7 times that, which brings us close to $1 trillion. 7 times this amount would be, 17 or $17, 1,600. One of the big things I hear is that XRP could hit $20 a piece, which would put its market value over $1 trillion. Is MOAT? That's right where Bitcoin is. So it's funny to me, because do you think that if XRP went to 1 trillion, as many as 20 each, we did 7 times as much as this, which is about 8 times 8 times 8 times this. That means you'd be at 1.1 trillion to 1.2 trillion. That cut looks a lot like Bitcoin. People are saying, you're saying it's going to go right up there. Yes, you can beat Bitcoin. Not right away, please. Possible things could happen. You never know. But here's the deal. So this would go up even more. For some reason, I think this XRP will go up to $20 a piece. It doesn't matter to me if it moves or not. When it crushes, look, it's almost taking over. It's almost more valuable than Ethereum. Ethereum was worth $430 billion just a few months ago. This is what I got, 100 billion times the value. Now watch to see if this doubles, which is why I think the upside possibility for XRP is huge. It works for Ethereum too. I'll let you know, I have a lot of Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP. A lot in all three. If something goes well, XRP will really give it a try. There are many things. I've talked about these things a million times. BlackRock seems to be stepping up. Are the courts that deal with the ICC going to hear Ripple's case and make things even better? Because don't forget where their attraction still lies. The SEC has been taken away. There are good things going on there. By the end of this year, the spot ETS, but don't look back for the next 4 years. Really, really nice. DC, right? Really, really nice. Down there we have people who love life. I remember who I told you, not long before the vote, that if Trump won, cryptocurrency prices would go through the roof, and they did. Some people, no, I got in afterward. You're to blame. Do you wait or get in at the right time? You didn't take a risk or get a prize if you wait until after the fact. You'll enjoy that rip up if you get in early like we did at the Discord. Some of them have now run back down the whole way. Ethereum hasn't changed, but XRP has. It cost 50 cents. It's now $2 and some. That being said, I think the run will begin very soon. The market connection is something I talked about. Take a look at the last 6 months. Take a look at this drop from 4 weeks ago. The Nasdaq went up 13%. If you look at the crypto over the past month, it's been red all over the place. Red, 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 red. There are a few green ones. Of course, it's kind of like the stock market. I have a few, but man, oh man, oh man, it's been bad. The question now is, do you think the markets will turn around and we'll see it here? And I think we've hit rock bottom. Now why would I believe that? And why does it matter for your XRP going up to $20? Well, you can't make a run until the conditions are right for it. In other words, the markets need to be in the right place, or frame of mind. As you can see, we are now 2.78 inches above the bottom. Even now, everyone is still very, very scared. And I'm going to show you how scared I am. You check out the charts when you get there. Fear is very high, but not as high as it used to be. It was at 15 best time to buy. When I get between 15 and 20, man, that's when you should buy, not sell. And now from that low point and fear, we've actually gone up a bit. Didn't I see the bubbles there? There's been a lot of red and green in the last week, but there's also been some green. What's going on? It's the big money starting to make money, and they're starting it for sale, all sold and everything else. People called me up about it. I just sold everything. What should I do? I want a safe place to get my money back. Except for treasuries, there is nothing where you can safely get 20% back. If you lose 20%, it will take you 4 or 5 years to get back there. On these charts, the best time to buy, and I'll say it again, is when everyone is selling. Be there too. I'll take it because the guys who bought down here are going to love life when it goes back up to extreme greed. They sell to people who are very greedy there, and then they wait, rinse and repeat. They just wash and wait. So I think we'll see a beautiful turnaround, and I think it has already begun. I will show you this, and we will look at it so you can get the clues. This is the weekly report. Look at this. This is what I want to show you, so everyone can understand what I'm looking at. The government has been spending a lot of money since last summer. Each of these is a different administration. You got back here during Biden's time in office. We got 50. It seemed like the end of the world to everyone. Oh, it's going to break. Everything is broken. Then we came together. It's a pretty much the same chart. It took 4 weeks. Doji-like shape here, and down we went to a bottom. And rallied. Well, look at this. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we rallied back up, and we have a nice little green one here. This means that we learn from history, so we won't miss the run back up like we did in the past. The correlation between stocks and crypto is about 0.6. That's a strong link. I think that at that point, everything was getting really hit hard because things had been so bad. But now you see this small chance. The bears kept pushing and pushing all the time. This week they pushed down again, but that was the last time for the week. We were done after 4 weeks in a row. Will it be the same for all of them?